Bam! Another episode is gonna be forged by Pokemon Legends Arceus. Tonight's episode will be hisuian Sneasel. Of course, Sneasler was the evolved form of this guy. This is what Sneasel used to look like before they became what they are now. I still think they're Ice and Dark types, but it looks like this one is an Ice and, I guess, a Ghost type. Anyways, to draw the hisuian Sneasel, you must draw his upper half, and then draw this mark here, and draw his eye. There's his toenails, just like in the original one. And finished. That's how you draw hisuian Sneasel. Almost looks like the original one, but different. Anyway, that's how you draw hisuian Sneasel. I'm proud you all enjoyed this episode. Please like or rock and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later, and good night.